Today, I'm unboxing one of the biggest boxes of my life. The legendary button for 200 million subscribers has finally arrived. It wasn't easy getting here. Started from zero, low views, no motivation. But you never gave up on me. And I didn't either. There were rumors about what's inside. Some said just a plaque, others real gold. Well, we're about to find out the truth. And here it is, the 200 million award. You've never seen anything like this. It's not just a plaque. Laser-etched username, a personalized message from YouTube. Oh, and it's really heavy. This award isn't mine, it's ours. Every view, like, and comment help make this happen, thank you, truly. If you love this kind of content, don't leave the channel and follow. The next milestone, 1 billion. Now the real challenge? Figuring out how to hang this thing on my wall? Because, yeah, it weighs like 30 pounds.